Welcome to Drawleaper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to take a screenshot in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. Today I will show you 3 methods that you can use to take a screenshot in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. Now for the first method, you have to just press your volume down key and power key at the same time. So just do it and you can see that will take a screenshot. If I do it once again, just press volume down key and power key at the same time. And you can see that will take a screenshot again. Just tap here to open your screenshot, and here it is. Now for the second method, you have to just swipe your hand from left to right. So just do it, and you can see that will take a screenshot again. And from here you can resize or customize your screenshot. Then tap on the save icon and it's saved successfully. Now if you cannot take a screenshot using this second method, just open up your settings app, then scroll down, then go to advanced features. After that go to motion and gesture option. From here scroll all the way down, and at the bottom you can see palm swipe to capture option. You have to just enable this option from here. Now for the third method, just swipe from top to bottom. If you cannot find any screenshot option here, just tap on this pencil icon, then tap on edit, and from here find screenshot option. That's it. Then just touch and hold it and drag it to the control center. Then tap on done, and it's done. Now just go back and then swipe from top to bottom, and you can see screenshot option has been added successfully on the control center. So just tap here to take a screenshot, and it's done. Now I'll show you how to take a long scrolling screenshot. At first, if I open a long page, now from here to take a long scrolling screenshot, at first you have to take a normal screenshot. Then touch and hold this icon, and you can see that will start taking a long screenshot. So just release your finger, and it's done. Now if you want to find your screenshot, just open up your gallery, and that's it. From here you can find your all the screenshots. And that is how you can take a screenshot in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.